In the first 5 minutes, a certain quantity of water cools from 70 degrees centigrade to 60 degrees centigrade. That means the temperature decreases. And the next 5 minutes, it further cools to 54 degrees centigrade. That means from 70 to 60, 10 degrees centigrade. And then 60 to 54, 6 degrees centigrade. That means decreases. The temperature of the surrounding temperature is what we need to find here. So this one we can find with the help of the equation, that is dt by dt, that means with respect to time, the temperature is, that is minus k into T average minus T naught. Okay. Here the it is minus k into T average is equal to, first one it is 70 plus 60 divided by 2 minus T naught. Then we get the answer, that is a 2. If I'm going to send here, 2 is equal to k into 65 minus T naught. And in the next case, it is 50 minus 60 divided by in 5 minutes. Then this becomes minus k into 54 plus 60 divided by 2 minus T naught. Then this becomes, this is a 6 by 5 is equal to, minus minus will get cancelled, and 2 divided by 65 minus T naught times 57 minus T naught. Then if I'm going to simplify this one, this becomes 390 minus 65 T naught is equal to 57 minus 10 T naught. Then 4 T naught is equal to 180 degrees centigrade, and T naught is equal to 45 degrees centigrade. So option A is the right answer.